If you want to create a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A56, follow the simple steps. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your security and privacy tab, open it up, locate your more security settings and your secure folder. Tap here, now press continue, and now give your phone like 20 seconds to half a minute to create your secure folder. Great, our secure folder is on. So first of all, we have to set a secure folder lock type. I'll go with pin. You can choose between pin, password, and pattern, of course. And press allow. Also, yeah, as I said, you can allow lock reset with your Samsung account if you need to, just in order not to forget it. Also, you can set up your biometrics if you want to. Press next. Now, here are the list of applications in your secure folder. So keep in mind that these are not the same application. Those are copies of the applications which you have on the phone. So you can have your different accounts with different media, and all of that will be exclusive to your secure folder. To add up new application, press plus and simply find any. For example, you want to add your LinkedIn there, press add, and now it's here. When you're done with it, press on the three dots and press lock and exit. Now your secure folder is locked, and you can find it on your app screen just like this. So to enter it, enter your PIN, press done, and basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.